It's the morning after a good rain. See some of the trash that flowed in from the road. So there's a decent amount of flow of water last night once the rain really got going. But yeah, it's at least here in the garden here on the farm, looks like quite a bit of this water was able to make its way to the ground, because there's a lot more green here and a lot more roots in the ground than most other places here. But this is gonna be much appreciated. Yeah, I think I'll just to finish some of the description from yesterday. You can see again some of the other trees that are here. It's papaya, a couple of papayas. There's a pomegranate right next to that one. Although these have not been harvested, and they've just been kind of left to sit on the tree. But obviously, it's got fruit on. Again, more citrus. This wonderful grass that's all over. It's like a creeping grass, a lot of it. There's some other species here too. I'm not entirely sure how to identify them. This is one of the custard apples, but again, these have been left on. Another one of the custard apples here, and this is the one that we've been eating from. This has some very nice fruit on it. You see some up top. I haven't had a chance to get up to those yet, but this is producing quite nicely. Every day we get a nice custard apple shake. That big ziziphus over there, measured, drowned out by the morning sun. Let's see what the flooding's like here. Oh, yeah, they flooded. Got a good amount of water here. All right, so yesterday. Oh, wow. Okay, these filled. These were empty. Yep, this is about right. So we've got a field again just below where we were, or where I'm staying, is definitely saturated, and this is like a small little farm pond that's filled up pretty readily. There's another one over. There are a couple of these actually on the property, but yeah, these little paddocks here are pretty well saturated. You can see the ground here is definitely good and damp. So yeah, this is going to stick around for a bit.